here, kids. We have some colorful numbers. Can you help me count them? Let's count them together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. We have 9 numbers here. Look here, kids. I have some colorful shapes. But how many shapes are they? Let's count them together. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Great job, little kids. We have 5 shapes. Let's count them one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now look here, kids. I have some fruits. But can you help me find some numbers here? Do you see some numbers? Let's find it together. First, I'm gonna make my way. Oh, look, kids. We found our first number. It's a 5. Can you see? It's 5. We found number 5. Now, is there any other number do you see? I see 9 here. Kids, it's a 9 number. We found 9. Now look, kids. Can you help me find a tomato? Where is a tomato? Here is a tomato. It's a red tomato. And beside the tomato, we found number 6. It's a number 6. Do you see any other number? Well, I see 2 more numbers here. First we have 7 and then we have number 2. 7, 2, and together we make it 72. We found 2 more numbers. Now look here, kids. We've got some colorful balloons here. Can I pick a yellow one? It's a yellow balloon and it's so stretchy. Oh wait, there's something here. Oh, we found number 1. Kids, it's number 1. We found it. Can you help me pick a yellow balloon from here? Do you see a yellow balloon? Here we have a yellow balloon. And beneath the yellow balloon, I found another number. It's number 3. We found number 3. Now, kids, we have one more number left. Let's find it together. Where is it? Where is it? Oh, here we have number 8. It's number 8. We found all the numbers. Great job, little kids. We played with the numbers and we counted all the things together. See you next time.